Using virtual reality, this work pushes against the idea that you are the only mind that can reside in your body by shifting perspectives and through tactile experience. Watching dance is an act of seeking the other in oneself, or oneself in others. The title suggests we are not divided from each other, but rather an extension of one another. The other in you sheds light on the body of the audience member, which we, including the audience themselves, tend to neglect. At some point during the performance, using sensing devices, the point of sight of the viewer leaves their own body and they see themselves from above. This out-of-body sensation is a very unique experience VR can offer. Owaki has been exploring the idea of the self with point of sight as a threshold. In Kagome, 1999, he questioned the relationship between the audience and the performers on stage, those watching and those being watched, with HMD. It aimed to offer a new sensation in watching dance performances. In development of a dancing cosmos, haptic, 2014, using a video camera attached to a robotic arm and HMD, he implemented the idea of one's point of sight leaving their own body. In 2014, he conducted a workshop in which dancers followed a series of instructions while watching their own movement projected on a monitor that connected images from multiple surveillance cameras. We, when we are in the audience, tend to forget that our body is part of the viewing experience. Shifting our perspectives using virtual reality, the other in you helps us to discover a new sense of our own body. The movement of the dancer, Tomohiko Tsujimoto, is captured with a motion capture system. The data is converted into 3D CG and choreographing virtual dancers. Owaki uses the Reactor for Awareness in Motion (RAM) system, which YCAM has been developing since 2010. RAM is a tool for dance creation and education, and it allows the artist to import dancers' movements into a computer in real time and process it easily. For example, RAM can produce visual feedback of their movements to dancers, such as a line connecting two different joints. This animated visual feedback offers choreographic ideas. In this work, the artist uses tactile sensation to shift the audience smoothly from real space to virtual reality space. Owaki tried to blow air from an air compressor in order to recreate the sense of moving in virtual reality, or to apply a faint electric current to create artificial vertigo. After his experimentations, he has come to install a ball-shaped interface in the middle of the stage that works on the audience's tactile sensation. Having a similar white ball appear in the virtual space brings a stronger sense of reality to the audience. The ball-shaped interface communicates the virtual dancer's movements as well as a shift on stage in the form of vibration. Synchronizing these movements with HMD images and sounds creates a dynamic synergy effect. In addition, designing the HMD helmet to resemble the head of virtual dancers helps to integrate the audience into the virtual reality. How can we relate to others who are supposed to be distant from us? Do we really know what it is to see? The other in you is an attempt to revive the notion of our body in relation to an object, a notion which has been forgotten in the act of watching. Virtual reality technology enables us to bring the act of watching, once detached from the body, back to where it belongs. As a result, it reconstructs the notion of seeing.